Last week Monday, ana me share enkomo bi ase. In fact, ukwada no na me wo chebi enti entumi antoa so. Ukwada no na me wo chebi enti entumi antoa so. Now, sana mo ami toyi. Between two ministries. The Ministry for Works and Housing and the Ministry of Finance. Near Enkwaso sa aswayem yenu intam. Esutobre na yewuremu. Esutobre na yewuremu. Sa insuo tobia aflade insuo yiri Ghana ha kane na kefo se bia jaman kran kwa so nei efimfiri mantem insuo yiri kofo ewiem bobre no asesa ni abroni frɛ no climate change asesa eno ye baako ena yan kasan so yesu ni yaban enso so yan pese ebesesa no eno ye mienu ena aban no a wono so yato abama no se won hwe na wonfa niema entoto akwam enya mema the needed infrastructure na also the needed laws aban no swada Finance Ministry and Krata Hodwa Ministry of Works and Housing. Honorable Senso Boache Edano. And Krata Watre. And I'm tempted to go into the letters today. But the best ukwada. Mayenji Shemu, Mami read away. The estimated cost of fixing our drainage network. The estimated cost of fixing our drainage network. Say, monka gotes ne nekeka ho say si ye ni nyina $5 billion. $5 billion. Tenio. $5 billion. Sir Gates Ahodo. Last week Monday Michel. I will for Roma. Sir Gates ne Culvert ni adie nyina Haatso Culvert and drainage project. Na fei neke ka ho Apenkwa community drainage project. And also so make a ho plus other projects are. But there are still a lot of work to be done. Now, some $5 billion here, according to the Ministry, Works and Housing. Yanshe, Nayankai, say Afibia, a buono kosoro. Afibia ebuano ekosoro Lakade na esie if in the same government aban kronwem now let's see mama can we I say the benefits of investing now far outweighs the cost. Say yes ya humbo bi na enne ya de sika hyemu a ebeboa since aban di na no befa fa ho na finance minister or the sa na sa aban be breki 80 say won breki 80 na eja ho na ya yeko na aban fo fraba no so aban no troka enfie nwotwe no so eja ho na aban fo fraba no so sa na eja ho. Anano wachihini amwacho for penny osajefo na me bodin a me ko ha mentuma me bom ase wo waka sembi ewa deba no ase memene da no was hwe say ye to abama wa ana say ye appoint wa na ye adwuma na ye de ahye wonsa na ye nka safa adwuma na ye de ahye wonsa na tumi na ye de ama wo no fa banya ye kom no ye se besom on Saturday ebra osa for motor for a penny one kasano na nanim kire days baby a omanpani abedi a kire ani owura kan for yata wa motie no na nanim kire ho straight I was there enti one kasana me say enti semwa osa for working enti finance minister what ye Jim FM aseye wo hwa se wo mo hwe se gutters drainage systems ene ne ekeka ho nyina no ye behwe na yaye ye behwe na yaye akaska release sikam so a akwaye bibia wo ho now in 2021 when your construction works to mitigate flooding adwuma hudu a necessary yeje in the greater Accra region 6 kilometers of drains and necessary 6 kilometers of drains and necessary amounting to 214 million Ghana cedis. Now, cost of the silting and excavation works is also 32.5 million. Western region, Western North region, 8.7 kilometers of drain. And as I say, and only one year 188.9 million. The silting excavation works and also 26 million. Now, this is 16 regions in ewaha. Ningina 793.5 million. Now, tie Sikano wamukofano he. Sikano Ministry, Works and Housing, one confess as Canway. If the finance ministry, one releases car, one confess Canway. As far back as August 2021, and a finance, a Works and Housing Ministry, one feels as more than car. Finance for Rakan Frata, Muma Yesiko, na Suede Beto, Muma Yesiko, Nianfasha Jumayasio, Nessa Suebe yo, Muma Yesiko, yeah, Jinjai. Why? Yet, honey, I come back. So, CJ, it's not as easy, as simple as you are saying it. Okay, so come and explain to us, Mama Chemun saying. Mama Chemun saying. Honorable Samuel Atachia, our ministry, Works and Housing, the same issue. And this weekend, over the weekend, I was in his constituency. No, the constituency. Well, drew out to me say, yes, your constituency is more hoodoo. Honorable Atachia, change. Every year appointment, Culvert in the anonymous say Works and Housing and the money bill. Because there is a minister in charge of finance. Or no quiet tinty. And you know, sometimes when we talk about family and friends, I go for say Abayim Kwan and Andra Bayimu and Awaba for how many years? Onye reshuffle that. Onye reshuffle that. When I can only reshuffle Krano, at least the finance ministry and can you all? Hey, now say I'm going to copy parliament. Acquire COVID-19. Akobu home konta. I don't know. Nanamu gunsa. Esray. Menganisa. because omampani no omani chemso oman no a ye chichire no yen kai se dachi inchirima ebebisa ensem dachi inchirima ebebisa ensem. In fact, I couldn't have agreed with Ochehene more. So yamau minister na yamau car. In fact, cars ketwa baako kese baako na yamau garden boy yamau security yamau fia obetrem na yamau cook yetua obi osema phone credit ade be course na yetua de man ni omani shefru ha ni say som ye be ya adwuma na afei no de bia no ye de manwa afei na no afuru ntaban wafu ntaban Amampani sa utie ya nepeya.
Adom FM.
Sika SSA Ministry of Works and Housing. Woman Saka. And Kofi, I'll take some time to deal with one of the letters. And the request our ministry ni ye Krata Works and Housing Ministry no e try to come Finance Ministry. Na mahunu nientia ase okay Katawe 11th August 2021 11th August 2021 and it's addressed to the Honorable Ministry of Finance, P.O. Box M40, Accra. Reapplication for commencement certificate for the 2021 Emergency National Flood Control Program. Tienio, where you krata wamatre Edema Finance Ministry ni say, ewranum ye hie sika yadi bedi juba esa say 2022 no aye be wura mu no ensuo beto ebeyiri yan enti adabraka momma isika kakra na yemfa nya gota ni drains ni ade se na be yan so no be yini tire no ye ho ankire yan Mamin Kem Kakra. We refer to our letter numbers SCR/JL.77/207/01 dated 4th June 2021. And its attachment on the above subject matter. Copy is attached to ease your reference. In the letter referred above, the Ministry of Works and Housing applied for the issuance of commencement certificate to commit the government of Ghana to the tune of 888,300,000 Ghana cedis, 883,300,000 Ghana cedis for the implementation of the 2021 Emergency National Flood Control Program to address the serious flooding challenges being experienced across the country. On the 5th August 2021, the ministry presented to Cabinet the state of our country's drainage infrastructure, detailing the urgent need to embark on the 2021 and future national flood control programs to enhance the country's drainage infrastructure and improve our resilience to flooding. As clearly outlined in the ministry's presentation, the adverse effect of climate is exacerbating an already bad situation, hence the sense of urgency. We wish to respectfully draw your attention to the fact that time is of the essence in the flood control program. Time is of the essence. Time is of the essence. In the flood control program, our consultant will require adequate time to complete detailed design and then go through the procurement process ahead of implementation. Construction of each project will take a few months to complete. For us to achieve beneficial use of this investment, they need to be completed before the onset of the next major rainy season in April 2022. For us to achieve beneficial use of this investment, they need to be completed before the onset of the next major rainy season in April 2022.
Adom FM.
Any doing? That leaves us only 8 months from now to go through all processes highlighted above. In view of the above, we respectfully submit this reminder for the issuance of commencement certificate to commit the government of Ghana to the tune of 888,300,000 Ghana cedis for the implementation of the 2021 Emergency National Flood Control Program, broken down as follows. On the breakdown, construction works 793,500,000. Excavation desilting works 94.8 million. We hope the ministry can count on your prompt consideration of the request. Sincerely, Francis Asenso Boache, and was copied to the Deputy Minister, Ministry of Works and Housing, the Chief Director, Ministry for Works and Housing, the Director, Ministry for Works and Housing, the Technical Advisor, Ministry. When you know, 11th August 2021. A truckata as far back as August. Say April in Sony Bay Unity. And Tibuni Sikamayen. Wempo. Eti Katawe and Amidibesi. Yami Adoma Ukwada Metwaso. Now, Kwadranjay, go back to the classroom. I say, is it necessary or mandatory to reshuffle the cabinet? Well, clearly, when Ghanaians can see, say, Ejumano and Koye. Kwadranjay, Kusiadie. Me the chief judge force me number no and sign. My number no and sign 0206943337 0206943337. Like me Facebook. Na ukwada sa juma we. Ye the bedroom papa so bi. Na fe probably ye de asi. Adom ampani hwani ye niema bebre nkoye o. Niema bebre nkoye. Eba mampani na nado odi sey no enye ne ye huni dabi ene ne ye huni why enye no ne ye huni kra
Adom FM.
Enkrofo ho na omo gidie pa wa ban. And so as we speak, the excuses are too much. Excuses no edoso. Mode amontira ho. Mode amontira ho. me like we page, Chief Jerry Forson CJ on Facebook. Chief Jerry Forson. My Facebook account, Chief Jerry Forson CJ. Now, while like me page, Dr. Joseph Kwabena Ewa, Dr. Parker, Doc, Anapay Michiao. CJ Mitiopa, Doc, good morning. Also John Ebenezer Kwamena Aidan. Also for her. Zavo, Campesam kind of futu, Numpo, Yamin Shroud, Pesam kind of futu. Zafo Braba, Futu Ebekan saying, Yamin Shroud, a Futu Ebekan saying. Ebekan saying, Zafo. You push out. So for you push out. And Yanko push out. You push out. You push out. You push out. Odi yumpo. We yanko. We nyame. We say you nearby gifty empress. Yeah. Name you odi yumpo. Yeah.